Namaste. Hello friends. My name is Dr. Pranjal Chaure. I am an homeopath practicing in Nagpur since 2011. Welcome to my YouTube channel about homeopathic books. In this video, you will learn about different homeopathic books on various subjects. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it. So let's start with today's video. Hello friends. Today's topic is homeopathic books on the life of Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Well friends, there are more than 30 articles and homeopathic books on the life of Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. We'll have a look to few of them. The first book is History of Homeopathy, Its Origin and Conflicts. This book is written by Dr. Wilhelm Ameke. He is a German homeopath from Berlin. This book is edited by Dr. R.E. Dugin. This book is translated by Alfred Brisdale of Cannes. This book was published in the year 1885. This book contains with two parts. The part one is the origin of homeopathy, in which it includes Hahnemann's services to chemistry and pharmacy, Hahnemann as a physician, which includes his practice life, Hahnemann as a man, it includes his life story from birth to death. The second part contains criticism of Hahnemann's first homeopathic essay and also includes an appendix on modern university medicine. The second book is The Life and Letters of Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. This book is written by Thomas Lindsley Bradford. This book was published in the year 1895. This book is dedicated to R.E. Dugin of London. The contents are birth, school days, marriage, his life, his practice life, his letters, his second marriage, and about his death. The third book is Samuel Hahnemann, His Life and Work. This book is written by Richard Hell. This book comes in 2 volumes. Well friends, I'll definitely recommend you this book. This book is almost a complete book on the life of Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Dr. Richard Hell, he was a German homeopath. He was a member of Homeopathic Central Society of Germany, homeopathic physician in Philadelphia. Also, he has taken references from Dr. Thomas Lindsley Bradford's book. His book was published in the year 1922. As I have already told you that this book comes in 2 volumes. This book is translated from the German by Mrs. Mary Wheeler and Mr. W.H.R. Grundy. This book is edited by none other than Dr. J.H. Clark. This book is also edited by Dr. F.J. Wheeler. They both are British homeopaths. This book comes in 2 volumes. The volume 1 contains with pictures and it has Hahnemann's ancestor. It has information about Hahnemann's ancestor, his birth, his study, years of travel, practice, his cases, discovery of homeopathy, his writings, marriage, Hahnemann's personality, his work as a physician, his second marriage, Hahnemann's students and friends. And the second volume has supplements to all the above topics in the first volume. The next book is Life of Samuel Christian Hahnemann. This book is written by Rosa Hobhouse. She was a female British homeopath. This book is published in the year 1933, prefaced by none other than Dr. Sir John Muir, who was a disciple of Dr. Kent. This book has references from Dr. Richard Hell and Dr. T.L. Bradford. This book was helped by Dr. Wilma Schwabe, M.L. Tyler, C.E. Wheeler, and Mrs. Mary Wheeler. They all were British homeopaths. The contents of this book are from Hahnemann's birth, his education, his practice, development of homeopathy up till his death. And the bibliography of this book is taken from the writings of Dr. Hahnemann, Mater Medica Pura by Dr. R.E. Dugin, Chronic Diseases translation by G.M. Scott, and later writings of Hahnemann. The next important book is Samuel Hahnemann, His Life and Times. This book is written by Dr. Trevor Cook. Trevor Cook is a British homeopath. He was also a founder, director and principal of the British Institute of Homeopathy. He was also in services to the Queen of England. This book was published in the year 1981. The contents of this book are early days, student days, first practices of Dr. Hahnemann, travel years, wandering years, Battle of Leipzig, life in Cothen, and last days in Paris. The next book is In Search of Letter Hahnemann. This is a very interesting book. This book is written by Dr. Rima Handley. This book is published by Elsewhere Publication in the year 1997. There is a small introductory chapter on Hahnemann's life and topic on Hahnemann's patients. Also, there are topic on theory of diseases, choosing the remedy to follow, sulfur, Hahnemann's Materia Medica, venereal miasms, iatrogenic diseases, experiments with dosage and potency, ultimate attenuation, further cases. You will see cases with Hahnemann's original handwriting and case fix. It is one of the best books in homeopathy on Dr. Samuel Hahnemann's life. The next book is Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, His Life and Memory. This book is written by Fernando Dario Francois Flores. He is a Mexican homeopath. This book is dedicated to Dr. Richard Hale. The foreword is given by Dr. P.S. Ortega, another Mexican stalwart homeopath. This book was published in the year 2002. It has two sections. Half of the book has information about Dr. Samuel Hahnemann's birth, study, marriage, practices, practice life, second marriage, and death. And the remaining half of the book has 125 color pictures and photographs of the places where Dr. Hahnemann studied and lived. So, if you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching the video.